Right.
What I do?
And then my shoe came off.
The shoe. What I do, like I just put my feet in first, my feet in first, and I just take baby steps and then go in.
After you, my dear.
Okay, where are we going? That way?
Let's go that way towards the sun. Or do you want to go that way? I don't care. We can go that way. Let's go that way.
Okay.
Ah, this is nice. I got these cool socks on.
Maybe you should get me one too, so that like you can like without the socks, it's probably gonna. It's like ice cold.
It's still pretty cold.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Do they have like child size of new socks?
I'm sure they do.
And now you gotta jump under.
Should we try and go under?
Unless if you want to.
You can try. I think it was a really bad cast.
That is a dead frog.
No, it's a fake one. I'm pretty sure. Let's get it close up. Yeah, that's fake. See, you got the hook to it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a fishing lure. That's just a bad cast. Somebody was trying to fish and they missed. Oh, look, there's Mama. Hi, Mama.
He's probably thinking, Scarlet, smile.
This is our smile.
Yeah.
Or do you want to keep going?
Where do you want?
What do you want?
No, what do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? What you choose?
I choose that you choose. Haha.
Well, I choose that.
No, you can't re-choose that I choose that you choose. I already chose it that you choose. What do you want to go up to that hump over there? Yeah, let's go that way. Then we'll go back.
Give us a little more adventure.
You go first. Stick to the shallows. In case you fall, I'll catch you when you coming this way. I'll hit you with my stick.
No.
Yep, gotta watch where you're stepping. Hello. Bare feet. Crazy. Oh, y'all crazy.
Well, you never got us any.
Yeah, bad.
I think it's time we get some stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go together. That's it.
Ladies first.
Alright.
Where you going, crazy? You gonna try and sit on it? You're a beautiful butterfly.
Thank you.
That's all right. Alright, this is where I need a wheelchair. Come back, carry me.
Hop in.
Uh,
Skylar and I will give you a double piggyback.
I don't even think that would happen.
Yeah, that will.
Ah, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's like a postcard.